Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cute ice cream. So here you can see that I'm using my cyan pen to draw an ice cream. The ice cream is melting. Now I'm using my brown pen. No. Before using brown pen, I'm using my pink pen to draw a cherry. Now I'm using my brown pen. Here's the melting chocolate. I'm drawing some sprinkles with my green pen. And I'm using my yellow pen. I'm using my pink pen. Now I'm coloring it with my brown pen. Wow! Hehe, smiling! And I'm using my pink pen. Now for the coloring, I'm using my cyan pen. Now let's draw the cone. To draw the cone, I'm using my brown pen. I'm using my ruler to draw a perfect cone. Wow! And I'm using my deep brown color. For the coloring, I'm using my light brown color. Wow, it's looking amazing! Thank you so much for watching.